Hello everyone, this is Jay, and in today's video I wanted to do a quick review of all the dividends that I received in the month of October. It wasn't my biggest month yet, but it definitely shows that it is continuing to grow, and I'm really excited about that. I like how the portfolio continues to grow in dividends month after month and quarter after quarter. So right now, as you guys can see, my portfolio is 33% ETFs, 20% real estate, 16% financials, 11% healthcare, 12% consumer staples, 3% consumer discretionary, and information technology. Before we go into the updates tab, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you can continue to join me in this journey of growing the portfolio. And then now let's go into the updates tab, and these are all the dividends that I received in the month of October. As you guys can see here, I sorted in my Fidelity brokerage account from October 1st to October 31st. And the very first one on October 2nd was from ticker symbol KO, Coca-Cola Company, for $2.44. The next one was on October 5th from Vici for $1.89. Then on October 6th, my Fidelity S&P 500 Index Fund FXAIX for 99 cents. And then on October 12th, which was my biggest payment on October, it came from MPW Medical Properties Trust for $7.84. And I had the drip on, so I continued to drip down when I want to get to 100 shares, since right now it is at a low price. I've been buying like a share pretty much every week, if you guys have been following my channel. The price right now is like around $5 per share. My next one was, of course, Realty Income O on October 13th for $5.28. I am continuing to grow that position, especially on the recent dip right now, so I'm definitely taking advantage of that. Then the next one, it shows right here on October 16, but I believe it was on October 13, and it was from Main Street Capital, Maine, for $3.51. There was a mistake that I made on last month's dividend when I calculated the dividend, and there was 2 dividends from Maine that I received in September, but I somehow did not calculate one into September, because it kind of cleared out in October, because I have the drip set, and it takes some time to drip back the dividend into Maine. I don't know why, but it always does that. So I am gonna give an update in a few minutes. The next one was from Stag, STAG, on October 16 for 48 cents. This is a very small position. It's my smallest position right now in my portfolio, so that's why the dividend is so small. But I do want to continue adding into that one. And then the last dividend or interest that I received was from SPACs for keeping money in there, and it was only for 24 cents on October 31st. So right here it is the total in dividends that I received in the month of October for $22.67. And when you go into the dividend, let me go into the dividend month calendar. This is how I keep track of my dividends also, by month, and I see which company pays me when, or which month, and when do I receive that money. So as you guys can see here, I'm gonna show you. Here it is what I had to fix on Main Street Capital. So in September, I actually made $45.27, which was my biggest month yet. And as you guys can see here, it continues to grow. It is in my number 1 column right up here, the price per month. I am gonna show another chart that shows it more clear so you guys can see it. But definitely that was a very good month for September of $7.39 for Maine. So this month I did receive $3.51. I am continuing to grow that company, that position right there. As you guys can see here, in these months, in June and in August, they didn't pay that special dividend, and as you guys can see here, by me buying more shares and reinvesting the dividends, it has been growing from $2.59 to $3.26, and then $3.51 this month. So it's definitely continuing to grow. I definitely like these special dividends that I received in September, and in July, I believe I received another special dividend, and also in April. This company is definitely awesome, in my opinion. Not financial advice, guys. All right, so as you guys can see here, definitely keeping track of each one and how they continue to grow, which I really, really love. So you guys can see here the SCHD payments in March, $5.45. June, $12.67, and then in September, $16.04. So I'm definitely aiming at being over $20 in December. I have been very bullish lately, so definitely looking forward to that dividend in December. And let's go into the chart. And as you guys can see here, my dividends continue to grow. And if you compare October 2022 to October 2023 right here, it is growing. I did make changes from the dividends that I used to receive in October to now in October 2023. So this one is going to be more what I'm going to be looking for in the future than this one in 2022, sorry. But it is growing, and I can't wait until November to see how it matches or how it compares the 2023 dividends to 2022 in November. So I'm definitely looking forward to this month. And if we compare, let me go to where I input my information on month to month right here. And then let's compare to see how much compare from the whole year of 2022 to everything that I received in 2023. So right now, right here in 2022, I received $41.58 total. And let's compare this to 2023. Let me see if I can go ahead right here. And the new total for this year, $240.58 for the month of 2023. If you guys see it right here on the chart, it's definitely a big jump of almost over $200 more than 2022. And I still have 2 more months. So I'm definitely very excited about this. It definitely keeps me motivated to continue to see the growth in my portfolio. And this is not life-changing money right now. I know I'm not making thousands of dollars, but it's definitely very motivating to continue to see that. And I can't wait to see how my portfolio will be in 10 years. Maybe I'll look back at this video and I'll be like, wow, maybe in October of 2033, let's say October 2033, how is it gonna compare the 2023 dividends to that one? So I'm definitely staying motivated. I am continuing to grow this portfolio, and I am continuing to invest in it. And this is the reason why. This is what keeps me motivated to continue to see those dividends. And hopefully one day in the future I can definitely do something with that money. Now let's go into my dividend portfolio, and right now it is down $470 right now. I still pretty much have the same companies in the green, which is Main Street Capital, PG for Procter & Gamble, my Fidelity S&P 500 index fund also is in the green, and then Starbucks and Apple, of course, because my cost in Apple is only $132. I definitely want to continue to buy more Apple. I am trying to wait for the price to go down, but I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and add $5 here and there. I'm a DCA investor, so every Friday I make a deposit and I distribute that through my allocations right now. So. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please let me know in the comment section how much in income did you receive in the month of October. Are you a dividend investor or are you a growth investor? Definitely would like to know your opinion. If you guys don't mind, of course, so we can all share ideas, share experiences, and I definitely love to see those comments with the experiences, with the ideas and everything. So really looking forward to those comments, and I really appreciate everyone's support that continues to like the videos, comment, share. I really appreciate it. So I really thank you so much. All right, everyone. So I'll definitely see you on the next video, which is hopefully gonna be probably gonna make it tomorrow, and then I'll post it the following day. So, all right, everyone. Have a nice week, and thank you. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.